Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and having already seen the Mate X way back in February at MWC, but only from a distance, I was thrilled to finally get my hands on the phone during my time in Berlin for IFA 2019. Now, unlike the Galaxy Fold, Huawei's phone has a screen that folds outwards, so while that does mean you'll have a screen constantly exposed, it also means that when it's shut you can still use it as a regular flagship smartphone. In fact, from the front, that's what it looks like. The screen creates a virtual bezel on the left to match the physical ones around the top and bottom and the right hand side. From the back it's a little different. This is where you have that 4-camera system similar to what's on the P30 Pro. But what's cool is that you can use that small portion of the screen on the back to take selfies with the primary cameras if you want to. To unfold it, there's a little button with a red accent which you press to release the catch. That then lets go of the screen and it pops outwards, and then you can fold it out. Now, it's a pretty addictive action, clicking it shut and releasing it over and over again. So let's hope that's a durable system. Now, of course, when you unfold the screen, despite that huge hinge in the middle, it actually feels sturdy. It sort of locks into place and the display transforms into this big 8-inch square AMOLED panel. And it certainly seems like a great screen on first looks. Colors are good, the whites are clean and details are sharp. Viewing angles are pretty good too. Now, from an angle with enough light reflecting off it, you can see the bump in the middle of the screen where it folds. But when you're actually using it and looking at it head on, it's not really noticeable. The only thing that takes getting used to is the screen feel under the finger and your thumbs. It's not shiny and solid and cold like a glass display. It feels more like a screen that has a protective film on it because, of course, it's not made of glass. It has layers made from polymer, as well as that final protective layer. Now, on the software side, it's running Android Pie, and all of the default apps have been optimized to switch to this big display format. But one of the reasons it's not available to buy yet, however, is that third-party app developers need more time to get their apps working so that it works on this phone. Because of course there's no point having this big screen if none of your favorite apps work on it. At this point it's like switching between a smartphone and a tablet, albeit an almost square one. But because it has that ridge running down the right side on the back, it's easy to hold on to. It's like having a candle built onto it, similar to the Kindle Oasis. Inside, it's powered by the Kirin 980 processor, 8GB of RAM with 512GB of storage and a 4,500 mAh battery, and that can charge really quickly with a 55-watt fast charger. Now, Richard Yu, Huawei's consumer president, told us during the event that it's going to be launching next month, and it is arguably one of the most exciting phones ever launched. It's going to be expensive though, with a price of €2,300, so that means it's going to be out of reach for a lot of consumers. Let us know what you think about it in the comments. Can you see this form factor taking off? Is it the future? Or do you prefer the more compact inward folding Samsung Galaxy Fold? Let me know. I've been Cam, and I'll see you again soon.